Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I show you all the best ways to make money online. Today we're talking about survey apps that you can use to earn cash from your phone. So if you're looking for a simple and easy way to make some extra money, keep watching. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. First up is Survey Junkie. It's a popular survey app that has been around for a while now. All you have to do is sign up, answer a few questions, and start earning points. You can then redeem those points for cash or gift cards. Next up is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another popular survey app that lets you earn points by taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. You can redeem your points for gift cards to popular retailers or cash via PayPal. Third on our list is Survey Mini. This app pays you for sharing your opinions about places you visit. It's easy to use and you can earn points that can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. Fourth is iPoll. This app is similar to Survey Mini, but it focuses on surveys about products and services. You can earn cash or gift cards by sharing your opinion and testing out products. Lastly, we have Google Opinion Rewards. This app is a little different in that it pays you in Google Play credits instead of cash. But if you're someone who likes to buy apps, music, or movies on Google Play, then this app can be a great way to earn credits to use on those purchases. And there you have it, my top 5 survey apps that you can use to make money from your phone. These apps are all free to download and use, and they can be a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.